Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. We're here live from Vietnam, back with you another episode of Ride With Me. On today's episode, we're going to give you a little more backstory about me and some information about what's happening in Vietnam and what's to expect coming up next. So, if you haven't met me already, my name is Jacob. I'm from Cleveland, Ohio. I moved to Vietnam about 7 years ago in 2017. Since then, I've been here teaching English and enjoying life traveling around the country. So in the first few years of teaching English, it was pretty normal. But then in 2019, 2020, 2021, we had a bit of a pandemic. So we had to revert to teaching online. Basically, you could only go outside to the grocery store or to the pharmacy at that time. But now, since 2022, things have resumed and come back to normal. So tourism is back up and teaching is back to normal. So all is well. So, other than traveling and riding on a motorbike, I started listening to some financial podcasts. Shouts out to our brothers Earn Your Leisure and brother Ian Dunlap, who have got me into a bit of investing. So, since last year, I started investing in some technology stocks like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, and some index funds, and the returns have been pretty good. We're looking at around 25 to 30%. So as an expat living in Vietnam, even though the salary might be lower slightly than the US teacher would earn, we can save a bit more of that income and in turn have more to invest. So I use a strategy called geo arbitrage, which means living in a place where the currency of your home country goes a lot further. So, for example, if you're earning US dollars, but you're living in Vietnam, the cost of living allows you to save a lot more. So you're spending less, earning the same amount, but spending less. So, yeah, that's what's been going on. Originally, this channel was created I wanted to showcase each province of Vietnam, 56 provinces, and have 56 videos where we explore and talk to locals, make interviews about traditional environmental factors, and maybe talk to some of the elders and learn the history of the place, the specialty foods, and other information about the province. But since we had the COVID lockdown, I sort of pivoted the channel toward local Saigon travel, Chi Minh City, the food, and now the driving videos that you're seeing now, also in an effort to increase our watch hours. So you may see more of these long form content videos where we can take our time and show you a bit of what we see. So far, I have visited several provinces in Vietnam, including Hanoi in the north and Phu Yên on the beach, Da Nang, Dak Lak, Dalat, where else? Dom Nai, An Giang, Cần Thơ, Phu Quoc, and several other places. And I truly enjoy the diverse landscapes of Vietnam, the various beaches, mountains, forests, even desert, and some snow up north. So it's been a really wonderful place. Getting family members here to visit has been an amazing experience. My mom's been over here twice now. Shout out to mom. And hopefully we can get her moved over here at least half of the year, or come during the winter or something like that. So that's what's been going on over this way. I'd like to hear more about what you'd like to see more of. Leave me a comment and let me know. Do you want to see more driving? Do you want to see more traveling? Do you want to see more eating? What would you like to see? And do you like the short form, long form? Let me know. Give me some feedback. And looking forward to talking with you soon. Thanks for riding with us today. And take care. Peace. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, share. And we'll see you next time. All right.